this short video, we're just going to show you replacing a sheet with our original having some markups on it. We want to make sure that we keep those markups. Here you can see we have a revised drawing. We have it as revision number 63. You can see where the architect has clouded the changes in this drawing. And we've got in our original drawing, we have some markups here. This brick type mock-up, and then we also have some notes that we've made on there to make this a little easier for ourselves. So what we want to do is we want to just replace the page with, we want to replace this page with the new one that the architect has issued. So it's really straightforward. We can just go to the original document and go to the pages label and just right click on it, and we want to hit replace pages, and we need to find where that file is at. And so this file is in revision 063 ASI 22. So that's the one that we want. So we just simply hit open, and what it's going to do is remove the original page and replace page content. So we want to make sure that we have this checked so it keeps our markups. So replace the page content only is going to be the sheet itself. Okay, so just click OK. And we can see in here with our new drawing, it just slipped it in right behind it. And now we probably just need to kind of dress this up a little bit. And let's move our text box a little bit so now it's not covered up anymore. And we need to grab these and move them out of the way as well. And that's as easy as it can get. Just for grins, I'm going to move this up here. There. Doesn't that look nice? That's replacing sheets.